rudders. Close grip bow handle. SRB field rest. Camo FX. Scent step dispenser. Jinxum Scents. Pop Todd's Outdoor Products.
We're going to have no focus base here. Climb. Set. Pull up. Nice part with this is use all the tension on your heel on the front side of the stand. So there's one.
RPM bow fishing. And Hilltop Sport.
What's up, everybody? It's Cody and Joe with TPE. We're out here on the Missouri River today and tomorrow. Hopefully we're going to catch us some big flathead and some big blue. That's our goal anyway, and whatever else bites. But, well, hopefully we'll show you some big ones here in a little bit. So, alrighty. Alright, folks, I'm going to try to zoom in as much as possible. It's going to be hard to see, but there is a doe swimming across the river right now. She is out in the main current. Hey everybody, this is what we do with these jumping carp on the Missouri River. They are a big nuisance, and we'll motor out of here and hopefully show you what they do. But whenever we have one jump a boat, we take the machete and dispatch them the right way. I just landed the biggest blue that I've ever landed. 15-pound blue cat right here. Man, it's been great. It's been a great morning so far just because of this. We had a rough night, and we actually thought I had a snag on this guy. So we started floating downstream, and next thing you know, my pole started bouncing and taking off. And this is what's on the end of it, man. So we'll take some pictures and we'll get this sent off, man.